What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to add a Duolingo widget on Android. So let's get right into it. Keep tapped on your home screen and here you'll get an option of widgets, and there are some options or applications that avail their individual widgets, and as we want Duolingo 1 we will head over to Duolingo. And here you can see there are two widgets that's availed by Duolingo. First one is keep your streak safe with Duo on your home screen, and second one is never lose your streak again with Duo on your phone's home screen. Both of them show the streak of Duolingo, and one is 2x1 and second one is 4x2. So let's go for the 4x2 option. Click on add. And as you can see, my home screen layout is currently locked. I'm going to settings and I'm just unlocking my home screen layout, and then doing the same again, going to widgets and then Duolingo, and I'm going to add the Duolingo 4x2 widget. And here, if you keep tapped on it, you can just drag on your home screen and it will be added. And in a meanwhile, Duolingo will just show you your current streak and details. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.